Hey guys, what is going on? This is gonna be just a short video this time, and this is a real one. My girlfriend behind me, we got the thing, not on the thing. We've actually had a very interesting night, right? Yeah, we got an interesting night. So basically, everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. Not because of any one particular person, but just the night is interesting. So I'll tell you a little bit about it and then we'll wrap it up with why am I telling you this. So I decided to take it off, did a shower, cleaned off all the tape, all the glue, all that kind of stuff, the regular things. And my girlfriend here was coming down to help me install the hair system, and I was putting some scalp protector on. And for all of you that use scalp protector, you know that as soon as you basically put it on your scalp, it hardens to like a cement like glue, right? Very firm, very hard to get off. Well, I was asking Natalie here, I said, hey, would you mind just doing the back? Like, I can do it, but if you don't mind, I'll let you do it. And she was like, okay. And so I sat down in the chair, and she proceeded to literally dump half of the bottle into my natural hair and down my back, which proceeded to turn to a firm cement that literally I could not get a comb or anything through, and I spent a good 15 minutes in the shower working out, which she so lovingly brought down a exfoliating scrubber and olive oil, which did help. So we got through that trial and decided that we were going to install the hair system. So we went through the scalp protector process, which wasn't put on correctly this time, no accidents. And then we went to put it on, and it was far too low. But we were experimenting with liquid glue in the front, so it's not as easy as just taking it off with some rubbing alcohol and just trying to put it back on. No. The liquid had kind of messed up. So we decided to reheat it, put another layer on it. This time, I marked a pathway for the hair system on my head with a little bit of charcoal from some Palo Santo, something that I could wipe off nice and easy. And I said to Natalie, what exactly did I say? Put it
above the line.
Right above the line, so that way I could wash it.
I did.
Which she did, about a quarter of an inch higher, which made me look like I had
a five head.
I had a five head. But immediately after, I said to her, I'm like, I think it's a little high. She's like, no, it's not. And after, I'm like, okay. And I go to kiss her, and immediately she starts breaking out hysterically laughing. And I look in the bathroom, and I'm like, so this does not look right. This does not look right. So here we are. Again, this is the third attempt at installing after the scalp protector woes. And we are getting the glue off because it no longer is working, which has been a nightmare. Anyways, what would usually take an hour to do has turned into 3 hours on a Wednesday night. Turn it up. The reason that I tell you this, though, besides just the comedic laughs that I'm sure someone will get a kick out of, is the fact that sometimes shit happens and you just have to go with it. And you gotta laugh. We were both frustrated, but you just gotta keep on ticking, and some days are gonna be better than others.
And finally got it off.
And we finally got it off. So we're starting from scratch again on attempt number 4 or 3 or 10. I don't even know anymore. But sometimes, Those nights are gonna happen. Sometimes you're gonna be frustrated. Sometimes you're gonna be annoyed. But just keep rolling with the punches. It's a good life lesson, right? Shit happens sometimes, and you just gotta keep on going.
Roll with it. Laugh at it.
Tell them.
Laugh at it. I've been laughing all night.
Okay. Anyways, guys, we will talk to you soon.